QHSEL here and welcome to SHEQXEL tutorial. In this video, we're going to look at these two amazing templates, all right? The customer satisfaction survey tool and the master customer satisfaction survey log, all right? So like most of our previous templates that we've showed you, we have master log and then the individual template. So there's an individual template. The customer satisfaction survey tool is a unique tool for conducting satisfaction survey on customers to gather feedback, okay, on the quality of service delivery or the quality of service performance of the organization. So there's an important quality KPI. It's always important you gather feedback. You let customers, evaluate the services that you're rendering in order to gather feedback to know whether you're actually doing well. And that is a way of actually retaining your customers, because whenever they come up with any areas of concern, you need to address them and then continue to keep good relationship with them. All right, so without wasting time, let's get straight into the features. All right, so this is actually a qualitative template because we are gathering qualitative data based on a set of questions related to various aspects we are looking at. For example, the focus areas are customer service, quality planning and performance, delivery performance, quotation and pricing, technical support, and overall performance. All right, so these are questions that a set of questions that falls under various focus areas and the responses that customer must provide on the scale of 1 to 5, where 1 simply means poor performance and 5 means very well. There's option to indicate not applicable where applicable. All right, so as the customer provide these responses, the scores are going to be calculated automatically. Every poor score, there's an option for the customer to explain. All right, so if poor, explain. So once you provide all these responses, they get transferred on the survey summary. All right, so the survey summary is a summary of scores for the various focus areas. All right, and this is what you're going to be using in the master log. Just take note. All right, now every poor response gets transferred automatically on the action plan, where the customer must provide any corrective action. So they are actually registering their concerns to the various questions in the form of, poor response, okay, and then they give an explanation, and then they also propose a corrective action. That is a very, very good way of engaging customers for them to help you to improve your system. All right. Now, this section may not be so relevant, but if you're interested in it, if you're using this as an individual template, you may want to utilize just these action plans. That's setting a target date and the responsible person, the priority of the action, and whether action is open and closed. All right. Now, once you provide all your responses, automatically they get transferred on the dashboard. All you need to do is just go to data tab and refresh all, and everything just shows exactly. So this dashboard, we are looking at all the focus areas: customer service, overall performance, quality planning and performance, delivery performance, quotation and pricing, technical support. These are the customer's perspective in terms of your performance or assessment of your performance. All right, and these are the count of the various responses that the customer gives. All right, and overall, your service has been rated as 61% by the customer. 61 is definitely not good enough. All right, now the action items, whether open and close, are going to be here as well. All right, so these are other reports, survey responses, survey performance, survey responses, and action status. These are what we actually use to create a dashboard. So in case you're interested in utilizing, you can do that, or you could just rely on the dashboard to determine the score that the customer is giving. So this is actually very, very interesting. You're looking at how to demonstrate, the PDCA cycle: plan, do, check, and act as a complete loop for continuous improvement. So this bit here is more on the checking and looking at areas of improvement using data analytics, basically, because you're able to estimate the score and use that as opportunity to improve upon the system. All right. So in terms of how to use this template, very simple. Just make sure you get rid of all these responses and get ready for your own responses. Once you get rid of all these responses, and you also get rid of all these entries, because, for example, once you remove every input in here, like this data and all of that, they get removed automatically from the action plan sheet. So as you can see, this one got removed. So you have to manually just remove these ones. All right, and then you refresh the workbook. Once you refresh the workbook, everything's going to be blank, and get ready to input your own data, get the customer to give their response and everything. All right, so that is with the individual template. Now let's head straight into the master log. Now, the master log is collating all the responses from various customers and you put it in a database, all right? So like all our templates, follow the same format: table of contents, the approved list. You build a list of your customers, the contact person, the job title, the contact number, the email address, all right? And then you collate all the data. So the customer name, the respondent, whoever responded to the question, the order number, because usually whenever you collate feedback from customer, you want to do that with regards to a specific order number. So this was the job order that was delivered, and that is what you're going to use to get feedback from the customers as to how you performed based on this criteria. All right, so this same parameters use it to populate, all these sections, and then the date of the survey and the score. So this is where it gets interesting. All right, when you go to the individual survey report, this is the score from the survey. So Control C, just copy the score, come here, paste it outside first. Just paste it outside. Paste as values. Paste as values like that. Okay, let me just paste right here. Paste as values like that right here. All right. Control C again and then transpose it. Okay, transpose. There you have it. So we've been able to collate it right there in here. All right. Now that we have some data in there, some changes have been made to the database, all we do is just go to the data tab on the menu and click on refresh all. And as we refresh all, we see how it shows on the dashboard. All right, so on the dashboard we have the action open and close, because we're going to be having an action items that we want to follow up on to keep customers happy always. Again, we have the various customers and the assessment of our performance. This company rated us 75%, this company rated us 71%, this company rated us 68%. It goes on and on. We can see the customer that's not so happy with our service right there. You see the trend of assessment that we've done. It could be every quarter or something. You're going to see it right there in an overall score across the board. So you can use, this slices to actually drill down to a specific company, how they assess us and all of that. Again, the overall score simply shows that our customers are not so happy with our service. As you can see, 67%. It's not good enough. The target is to achieve like 90%. All right. So this template is very, very good for us for measuring your quality KPI, that you want to achieve 100% customer satisfaction. What are you doing to achieve 100% customer satisfaction? This is a template that you need to be able to demonstrate that you have a system in place for closing to achieving your gap, your targets in terms of customer satisfaction rate. All right, it has to be 100%. So this is something that is very, very good in measuring KPIs. All right, so this is how exciting this template is. If you're interested in this template, all you need to do is just come to our website, www.SHEQXEL.com, scroll all the way to the middle, locate customer satisfaction survey. There you have it. Click on it and then come back again. Look at customer satisfaction master, the master satisfaction survey log. That's it right there. Okay, and then you just scroll down, click on the download button. All right, just click on download button. Come here, also scroll down and click on the download button. Okay, and this takes you to the download page, and you have the video right here to watch again, and you scroll down to make a purchase. And same for this one also, you scroll down and make a purchase. All right, so thank you all for attention. I believe that you find this video very useful, and I believe that you're going to find value in our template. Thank you all for attention, and bye for now. See you again in another video. Cheers.